If you're not monetizing what you're already putting out on a platform, you're being pimped by the platform. Like, you're the hoe. The platform is the pimp. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, was my camera not charging? Oh my gosh. But anyways, hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Alicia, but I go by Lee. This is gonna be a day in the life of me vlog. Currently on the freeway, headed to a YouTube event. I don't think that it's like officially sponsored by YouTube. However, it's geared towards YouTube, and it's supposed to be a bunch of black creatives that are here in Houston. And there's a short segment, there's a regular YouTube segment, there's a monetization segment, kind of like it's coming off as kind of like a panel, kind of like a conference type of event. So it's already noon. The doors open at noon, but the event doesn't start until 1 because they kind of have like a little happy hour situation. So I'm headed there, meeting one of my friends, Lonnie, who is, I need to get over, who is a YouTuber, but more of like an Instagram content creator type of vibe. Please don't let me miss this exit. So I thought that like today would be like a cool kind of like day in the life of me vlog, because it gives kind of like more perspective into the YouTube scene. But what's really actually dope, and kind of how this is just like a full circle moment, is that I actually just joined the YouTube Shorts program. I've been posting shorts though, but shorts is really about to be the new thing. We're going to be able to monetize them like heavily. And if you are not a content creator, then you already know YouTube really kind of has like the best payment plans, essentially. Like, they pay you the best out of all of the other platforms. So I'm just excited. I'm always here to learn, to grow. I think that that's kind of like the purpose. Get over it. Like, if you're going to go. Ooh, and you got Texas license plates, do better. But yeah, learn, grow, and just kind of like, you know, advance within the space. I do feel like I've been in the space for a long time, but it doesn't hurt. It's actually great for me to essentially gain more knowledge about it. So I'm about to pull up, meet my friend. I'm gonna try to capture as much of the event like as possible, so that if you are a content creator watching me, or if you are interested in maybe becoming one, or you just started, whatever the case may be, if you're just into this kind of like whole space, sorry for the, you know, it's ghetto, I'm in downtown, it will provide like some knowledge to you also. So yeah, we about to pull up and enjoy it.
You got it download. You're on YouTube, you have a page, make sure you get YouTube Shorts. You'll be able to see everything, your money analytics, and if you got a, you know, you're on a record, you're on a label, sometimes you're not going to be able to see your money because they're monetizing your money. But if you're just a regular person, you're building your stuff up, you'll be able to see your money and all that type of stuff. But like, prime example, this is a camera on episode, it came out like once, so you see how many views it got. You go right here, You go right there, how many subscribers they built from just that episode. So whatever you're doing on YouTube, within YouTube's studio, could be able to show you your performance of that, so you can get like a gauge of.
The camera has lasted a little bit longer, right?
Yeah, for sure. Anything else?
Can we get 3 sets of plastic?
That looks really good. Yes, 3 sets, please. Thank you. So I'm back home. It's honestly not even that late. It's like maybe 6:30. It was essentially a conference, and it was actually sponsored by YouTube. I remember saying that I wasn't sure if it was, but in actuality, it was sponsored by YouTube and Avenues. So I'm gonna run and go get like the notebook. I was hoping to record more while I was there, but I charged this camera, y'all. I really did. I charged it overnight, but either the plug, like the box, or the cord was not working, because I just charged it when I got home, and now it's almost fully charged. So I should have been prepared, but listen, sometimes life gives you lemons. So today's event was geared towards us. It was geared towards lower income Black people, basically creating opportunities for people that wouldn't necessarily have the opportunities in this space. So I thought that it was dope. So they went through like how to monetize. They even went through how to create shorts. Like, how do you actually create the content? They went through that. How to actually drop a video. Like, how to actually drop your releases. Like, the proper formula for doing releases on content in general. Especially, I think, if you're going to drop, like, a music video or something like that. Within the first panel, and the first panel was maybe like an hour and a half, I have 4 pages of notes. Here's like the overview of the tea for YouTube Avenues. It was kind of like how to drop your content. So, and before you release anything on your channel, you should update your channel banner. Add all of your social media links. All of this stuff I have, but just in case you don't, I feel like this is good information. Update the bio. The bio is basically like, who are you? What do you do? What is your channel going to bring? And then customize the layout. You do have to like have a certain amount of following on YouTube to customize the layout. But if you go look at my channel, like in its raw form, all of my videos are like organized into segments or like playlists. So you can kind of pick and choose whatever it is that you're into. And then they were also saying to do like a feature video or like a trailer, and that video will automatically play. So that was the thing that I don't have. Then for the pre-release, I also wrote down to do a premiere or a trailer for your video. So with YouTube Shorts, now this is something that I learned on the call though. With YouTube Shorts, you can actually edit down your long form video into a short, and you can use that as like a premiere, or even so you can use it for like your pre-release or your post-release, and it's already content that you've had. You're just gonna basically create it in like a real form. So I didn't say this. YouTube Shorts is kind of like Reels, or it's kind of like TikToks, but it's not. It's really just short formatted video. Last thing that they said was before you release something, to basically encourage your followers to leave a comment, subscribe, encourage them to set a reminder like, hey, I am going to upload a video on Friday. Make sure that you set a reminder for Friday at 2 p.m. My video will be live. Kind of like that type of thing. There'll be even more hype about you dropping it, you know? It was like a whole thing. I was really here for it. Hence why I'm so excited right now. And then for release day, they were basically saying to share and promote, which I do. I feel like a lot of people do that, like posting on other socials. What was really dope though, what I'm gonna start doing, because some of y'all come back and watch my videos like all of the time, and I know who you are because I'm just used to seeing the username. And they were basically saying like pin a comment of maybe somebody that comments on your video first, or somebody that says something nice first, to essentially acknowledge the people that already follow you, that already support you. I love that idea. I'm like, why haven't I been doing it? And then comment with your audience. I typically reply to y'all's comments. So chat, like, you know, while that video, in like the first hours or so of that video, basically chat back and forth with the people that comment, that engagement. And then after release day, they were basically saying to use that little shorts trick to do the little snippets of your video to share after, because some people just don't want to watch the entire long form video, but you could still engage people that like short form videos using your long form videos without having to come up with even more content. If you're not monetizing what you're already putting out on a platform, you're being pimped by the platform. Like, you're the hoe. The platform is the pimp. And so what he was basically saying was, switch it around, because you should be making money. If you're making money, then you're now pimping the platform. Like, you're using the platform for your advantage. But what also was like, I don't know, it just stuck with me, was one of the girls that was on the panel. Let me see if I can remember her name, because I wrote it down. Okay, her name, I think it was Rachie. It's greater later. So she was like, it's no content is old content. And I'm like, duh. And she was like, call it what it is. It's vintage. And you can use that as even like a theme. Like, even if you are using content that you created 2-3 years ago, it's vintage content. It's not old. It's just like being brought out from the archives. And if we don't know anything, everybody knows that archived content is typically some of the best stuff that we see. Because even though it's not new to me, it could be new to you. It's new to some of the people that are viewing it, so it's not necessarily old. I'm actually going to go run some errands, because I kind of want to go to Zara, and I have a partnership with Nordstrom Rack, so I do want to run up there. So I think that I'm going to take you guys with me, and then we will close out this vlog. What I was saying in my previous vlog was that the Kahalana Barfield Brown Future collection has dropped new pieces, and in that vlog there was like no promo for the pieces anywhere. I don't know if it was because Target was preparing for the designer collection with like Kika Vargas and Sergio Hudson and the other designer, I can't remember her name. But there was no promo for it until literally today. Today they dropped promo for it, and I was just like, since I'm out, let me just make a stop. Like, because Target was very close to the other places that I needed to go anyways. And literally they have some of the newer pieces. So I just picked up 2 of the pieces. I feel like they're still missing pieces from the collection, but what other day did I go to Target? Sunday? Yeah, I think I went to Target on Sunday for the designer collection drop. And I don't know, it's like a slow release. Like, they're just filling up the shelves, nobody's saying anything, and everything is still not online. So I'm not really sure what's happening, but hopefully we'll get like an online release date or something soon. But if not, I would just recommend going to your local Target, because they are putting the pieces out. They are definitely putting them out. And it's so sad because they're like picked over, like it's not really organized and stuff. But at least it's out on the floor. I'm still going to support my people. I love her so much. So I picked up 2 new pieces today. Very inexpensive and just super dope. But yeah, I'm about to head home. I didn't find anything in Nordstrom Rack, and I really need to go there for a campaign. So I'm just going to order online. Call it a day, because your girl is getting a little tired. It's almost 9 o'clock, and we're going to end the vlog off here. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.